I'm Emery, and welcome to Another Memory. Today is day 4 on Wonders of the Seas. We started the morning playing some pickleball, and then walked around the ship to look at the port we're at, St. Thomas. After that, I went to the Windjammer to get some watermelon to kickstart the day. Right here, this is why I love cruising. The sun's barely up, and the crew's locking the ship into the port by hand. Ropes thicker than my arms getting reeled onto the dock. And somehow, floating right beside us, jellyfish. I don't know why, but moments like this make the whole trip feel so real. I came to the Windjammer with the plan. That plan lasted about 30 seconds. Now, I've got pancakes, donuts, and an omelet, and Starbucks. Is it a balanced breakfast? Probably not. Is it a great cruise breakfast? Absolutely. Here we have another view of the virtual balcony inside stateroom. Here at the port St. Thomas, and as you can see, the screen reflects what's outside. It looks pretty cool in the morning, and you can even close it if you don't want. And it gives you also a feeling that it's a window because you have curtains. And now it's pretty much covered. Another alternative, if you don't want the screen, is you can also turn it off. And the way to do that is you got to use the remote control, the same remote control that you use for the TV. You go all the way to virtual balcony, and then on this side you can choose on, off, volume up, volume down, and mute. However, I've found out that the mute, volume down, and volume up don't really work every time I tried. But the turning off and on works. Screen is on. Screen is off. One of the best parts of cruising isn't always the destination. Sometimes it's coming back to the ship. With the ship docked, we headed off Wonders of the Seas to explore the port of St. Thomas. I've actually been here quite a few times, so it wasn't about checking off the tourist attractions, it was about just slowing down, enjoying the atmosphere, and walking on land again. Along the way, we spotted some surprisingly cute iguanas, took some beautiful views of Wonders of the Seas, and even filmed a few street interviews that I'll be sharing later in short form content. After a relaxing walk, it's time to head back to the ship. And this is one of those little details cruise lines get right. As soon as we returned back to the port, crews and members were waiting with ice cold water and fresh towels. After spending time in the Caribbean heat, it felt like the perfect welcome home. We're back on the ship. We went to Central Park and ate at Park Cafe. I got roast beef and gravy, nothing special, just pure protein to fuel me for what's coming next, volleyball. We headed towards the top deck, and there's a full-size volleyball court. We gathered up a team and we played and played. After each win, we made it to the finals and we were crowned champions of the sea. This was definitely one of the highlights of the day. The deck is glowing, the night is young, and awaiting for us downstairs, dinner.
Let's see. This thing's gonna catch on fire and all the smoke's gonna come out.
Just only a regular toothpick, okay? Another toothpick, combine this together. Alright. So let's see again. Alright, watch closely. Oh. will put 2 more pork.
Okay, okay.
Let's try another. Let's try 2 more.
That's how I
The fork is moving.
Wow.
Let's try.
Where does Texas being? My dad.
I have a card here.
Oh.
Now we light this on fire. Alright,
Better
this is
than
what I was talking about, Mom.
better than show. Sir, can you take a half?
Half of it off?
Yeah, half. What? Okay. And I will make like this. Sir, can you get half? Okay. I'll make like this. And I will mix it together. Take another half, ma'am. As you can see, all the cards. I mix everything. Sir, take another half, whatever you want. Alright. All the cards are mixed together. So I don't know what happened to the cards now. Right? I'm going to arrange this one. My phone, I have a prediction on my phone. This will blow your mind. Okay? There will be exactly 23 cards face up. Can you count me, sir? If there is 23 cards face up. 1, 2,
22. 22.
oh! Alright. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 22. Alright, no worries, no worries. There will be exactly 14 black cards.
14 black cards.
Alright, let's see.
14 black cards.
What happened to 30? Okay, there's a 1 card missing. Okay. All the red cards are even.
Okay.
This one for sure, I'm correct. This one for sure.
Alright, even.
All red cards are even, but there is 1 3 of cards diamond.
What's your name?
Christopher,
Where are you from?
Philippines,
What ship are we on?
Wonder of the Sea,
What's your job?
waiter.
How long have you been with Royal Caribbean?
6 months, 6 years.
What's your favorite thing about Wonders of the Seas?
Playing Magic.
What's your favorite food?
Favorite food? Chinese food. Chinese.
What's one advice you want to share for future passengers on Wonders of the Seas?
Here in the ship, you go to guest service and get your cruise compass. Everything is there. The time, the event, the shows, everything. So you will not get lost and you will enjoy your cruise here.
Thank you, Christopher.
Thank you. Sir, get 1 card. Check your card. Look your card. Show it to them, okay? Put it back. Put it down. Oh yeah. Okay. You put it down? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And I will make it good. This card, real card. Okay, sir. What card comes to your mind?
2 diamonds.
2 diamonds. All these cards are face up, but there is 1 card. I tell him to face it down. Okay, watch. All the cards are face up except only 1 card. Look.
Diamond 2.
Look. There's a 1 card face down. All right. Ma'am, can you get it for me? And show it to sir. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. Thank you. Why? Watch closely. 7 of diamonds. Okay, all cards. Hi. Oh. All right. Let's see a 7 of hearts. This one. Mom, what's your favorite card?
What's my favorite card?
Yeah.
The Ace of Spades.
Ace of Spades. All right. Abracadabra. All cards is face up. Okay. So,
Ace of Spades.
yeah. All right. Oh, hey. I'm so nervous. Let's see if this one.
The night is far from over. We've got not one, but two spectacular shows lined up. First, the Aqua Show, and trust me, this is unlike anything you've ever seen on land. The entire stage is a diving pool. You've got world-class high diving, synchronized swimmers, incredible dancing, and jaw-dropping aerobatics, all happening in one show. Somehow, Royal Caribbean took 4 different performances and combined them into one unforgettable experience. Trust me, you won't find this anywhere else except for a cruise. And if that wasn't enough, after this we're heading straight to the ice show. This concludes the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe and share and like the video. My promise to you is I'll continue to deliver quality vlogs and travel videos. And as always, my name is Emery, and this has been another memory.